In this very quick lecture, I'm going to tell you the minimum number of directors that is required under the Companies Act 2017. So in Pakistan, for a single member company, obviously when there is just one member, that same person who is the member is also going to be acting as the director of that company. So in an SMC, that is a single member company, there's obviously just one director required at the minimum. And in companies other than single member private companies, so the range is from 2 to 50 members in such companies, and in such companies the minimum number of directors is 2. And moving on to public companies, we again know that there is a difference between public unlisted companies and public listed companies. So for public listed companies, you can see that the requirement for the minimum number of directors is greater than that for public unlisted companies. So for public unlisted companies, the minimum number of directors is 3, and for public listed companies, the minimum number of directors is 7. And just in case you need to know, this particular requirement, that is the minimum number of directors, is stated in section 154 of the Companies Act 2017. And also, just in case you need to know, it's not necessary that the minimum number of directors is as stated in this particular section. So for example, a company may require a greater number, that is a larger number of directors, if its articles of association state this particular requirement. So if it's stipulated in the articles of a company that it requires a greater, that is a larger number of directors, then that will be the case for that company.